Okay, the purpose of this video is that I was searching through YouTube and I was looking for Indian content showing some really good products out there, but I really couldn't find a lot out there. Uh, Unlike the counterparts from United States or other Western countries, and I was like, yeah, we don't market ourselves enough. I guess we do create good products. Yeah, there are certain difficulties in maybe filming, in maybe in the ability to edit, the time to edit, in maybe the production quality of it. But that is not something that I think should be the primary thing in not presenting something that you really like. I'm sure that a lot of stationery enthusiasts like me do exist who often search for Indian stationery content out there. So yeah, I think I'll make one myself. So this over here is the Brustro point 0.5 mechanical pencil. A great product. I don't usually use the point 0.5 variant, but this is a all stainless steel except this part. This is not steel. This is some other metal which does rust because I have been using two of these for the past few years, and this is a great product. Great product. Fully satisfied with how it has worked for me all these years. The 0.71 is something which I consider more versatile than the 0.51, and they are very generous in what they give. So, this is the packaging of this pencil, and we have 2B and HB, and we get 20 leads each. So in total 40 leads along all graphite, and we have 8 erasers. So yeah, it's a great pencil. Just for you to see, let's write something. Mm, yeah, this is a problem which is very specific to me, I guess, is that I break leads quite a lot because I'm used to. Yeah, so this is from the 2B variant, and I will say that if you don't use it at like really bad angles, this is a great product. Yeah, you see, I apply a bit of pressure and it breaks because I'm not used to the point 0.5 variant, and I'll put this as it is because this is me appreciating the pencil as well, and at the same time being honest with what it does and how it performs. uh, if I have to like show you another pencil, then this will be the unique Kurutoga, a staple of mine. If you want to see how it behaves with the same pressure, you see, point 0.7 just works a bit better for me. Why I bought this is because sometimes you need more technical details and stuff, or you need to be a bit more precise, is when you can use this. But like this is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy. So yeah, I can clearly see the difference in both of them. I think I cannot slant the pencil too much to write because it's a really thin nib. If you can see, the feedback is great though. have to say. The feedback is great. And if I use it like this, it will definitely break. Basically, you need to keep the pencil at a really short distance. Like if it's inside, one, two. I think two pushes will be more than enough for. And if you don't apply a lot of pressure to not break, yeah, it's not breaking now. So it was my fault that that was happening, because what I really like is that, yeah, and I mostly use the 2B variants. With the point 0.7 ones, I can go really, like, put a lot of pressure, whereas for the point 0.5 ones, I know that I'll not be able to put a lot of, at least a lot of slant pressure. I can definitely do some, axial loading if I have to. Yeah, this is good. Now it's not happening. So this was the first time I actually tested this pencil out. I just got it today, a few hours ago. So yeah, I think I actually lagged a point 0.5 mm. So that's the reason that I got it, and I think it's a great choice. I have point 0.7 months, and what I like about Brustro specifically, if I have to say, is the leads that they use. This particular lead that I'm using in the unique Kurutoga is also of the Brustro one only. It's a point 0.7 mm 2B Brustro lead, and this is the point 0.5 mm Brustro lead. So, and I don't really know whether this is the 2B or the HB one, but I most likely suspect it to be a 2B one only, because it does write quite dark. So yeah, this was my review for the Brustro. And alongside that, I also showed you the unique Kurutoga. So this can be maybe two of my favorite pencils. Though Brustro, I like the point 0.7 one more, but yeah, the lead is of Brustro and the unique Kurutoga as well. And this is a great pencil. It's light, it has the Kurutoga engine, Kurutoga mechanism. If you have stumbled upon this video, means you are interested in pencils and most likely know about the Kurutoga mechanism. If you don't, then you can see over here, it's the Kurutoga engine that works, which rotates the graphite on top while you're writing something, so that like quick fox, so that you always get a sharp end, and you do not have to consistently rotate it by your own hand. So yeah, this was a good uh, comparative video as well for both the pencils. But yeah, both are good, really good pencils, and if you don't abuse them, they will last you a long time. So yeah, thanks.